Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how can you save your file or your project that you're busy with. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at saving your file. Now, as you can see currently on our primary toolbar over here on top, our save option is grayed out. Now that will obviously only be happening if you do not have anything open or a project. So you either have to go make a new project, add some shapes, or what I'm just going to do is open a file from our last tutorial. So I'm going to open here. I think this was from our advanced flat parts. And as you can see over here now, if I zoom in, this thing is no longer grayed out. It looks kind of like an old school stiffy, if you guys can remember it from back in the day. This was kind of the pre-CD and I guess the CD was a pre-DVD. But yeah, so what you want to do is with your file, open, you go save, you just simply click on this, and then you navigate where you want to save it to. And if I had to zoom in here on the types of file or save as type, you'll see we only have one file available, which is a nesting file. This is .nst, and this is the native kind of file for the program. So this will save all your information. So next time you open it, it will automatically load everything the way you've set it. Now the process will vary a bit depending on what you're using. If you're using something like CAD, then you'll be having different file formats you can save as, but that we'll cover in another video. But yeah, there's another way we can save, but we'll save that for another video. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.